Hi everybody, I hope that you're keeping safe and well. My name is Matt Windle. I'm a professional boxer as well as the former Young Poet Laureate and Birmingham Poet Laureate. I'd like to wish you all a very happy reading week and briefly talk to you about why I believe reading is important. Reading is important for me because it helps me to be creative. I was reading one of Benjamin Zephaniah's books when I was about 15 or 16, and a particular poem in the book inspired me to write one of my own poems called Writing. I've attached the video link for that poem if you're interested in hearing it. There are so many books on so many different topics that you will be able to find a book about something that you're interested in. So identify your hobbies and what your passions are and find something to read on that to increase your knowledge on the subject. For example, you know that I'm a boxer and enjoy boxing, so here's a book called The Ultimate Encyclopedia of Boxing, containing lots of different facts and information. Books don't always have to be stories. The more you read, the more you'll learn. The more you learn, the more you'll earn. It will also increase your vocabulary as well as benefit your spelling. Don't be disheartened if you don't always understand every word. I never read any book without checking for definitions in the dictionary of certain words. That's how we learn. Eminem used to read the dictionary every single night before he went to bed in order to learn new words so that he could make his raps the best that they could be. Don't be embarrassed to enjoy pictures. Remember when you were a young child? Nearly everything that you read would have been a picture book. Then as we get older, we think that reading has to be 99% words, and it definitely doesn't. I love reading pictures because I'm a massive comic book and graphic novel fan. This is my current read called The Comic Book Story of Professional Wrestling, detailing the history of sports entertainment, and as you can see, it's full of pictures. And finally, you don't have to read for long. If you set yourself a target of reading for pleasure for just 10 to 15 minutes every day or two, then that's okay. I guarantee that when you find a book that's just right for you, you won't want to put it down after 15 minutes anyway. So there are 5 reasons why I think reading is important. Have an amazing week, and I hope to see you and your school sooner rather than later. Ta-ra a bit.